hope all of you are having a great day, St. Louis. And as we look ahead to the 4th of July, our festivities are probably going to look and feel a little different. But they can still be fun and festive and full of yummy food, even if it is just for your immediate family. We're so excited to have Chef Christie Maggi this morning. She is with Dierbergs and she is joining us. Chef Christie, I'm excited to talk to you. What should we be thinking about for a 4th of July party?
Okay, so Laura, just like you said, just because you're at home and maybe it's just the four of you or, maybe just a small extended family party, doesn't mean that you can't celebrate in a big way. So we came up with a burger bar. It's actually on our Facebook post today too, so you can check out some of our favorite combinations there. But we've got our loaded burgers, we've got seafood burgers and meatless burgers, plant-based burgers for those that don't eat beef. And then just grab your favorite toppings and kind of get some unusual stuff here. I actually did one the other day as a tester. I did a burger with Bob's pulled pork, some mac and cheese on it, some pimento, and then some buffalo on top of it. So it's a little heavy, but it's super good. We've got some Greek flavors with the cucumbers and feta and hummus. We've got our Bob's barbecue sides and some fresh cut fruit as well. A lot of the stuff comes from our deli, so don't feel like you have to make everything yourself too. Make it easy on yourself. Build a beautiful buffet. I've got some risers here that I think make it look a little bit better. So grab a big pot and put a wood cutting board on it. Grab a stack of cookbooks if you're a cookbook fan. Put down some colorful placemats or napkins. But make your family have a fun day in. Don't just kind of sleep on the couch and watch, 4th of July fireworks from past years. Do something big for your family this year too.
I always struggle with how much do I purchase and how many sides, what quantities of those. What do you suggest?
Absolutely. So you want to have enough, and our sides are good for a week, so you can have them for leftovers if there's anything left after your barbecue. I always say at least 2 to 3 sides just so you have a good variety. If you get, say, over 6 or 8 people, then add in a 4th side. About 3 ounces per person on each of the sides. Now, you know your family better if your family's all football players or if they're all 17-year-old girls that, are trying to look great in their swimsuit for 4th of July. You can scale it up or down. A lot of the condiments, they can go back in your fridge, so grab the condiments. Don't be afraid of buying too much of those. The cheeses and stuff, have 2 or 3 fun cheeses. Everybody likes something different. And then if you're doing sliders, do 2 sliders per person. If you're doing full-size burgers, 1's enough. We've got some of the pulled pork and pulled chicken and pulled salmon too in case someone doesn't want a grilled burger, something a little bit lighter maybe with the pulled salmon. And I would say about 3 to 4 ounces of those per person.
Chef Christie, with probably the most relatable segment we have ever done. Thank you very much. And for more information or to find a Dierbergs near you, simply check out their website at dierbergs.com. We will be discussing this on today's Great Day Extra Live. Today's GDXL kicks off on the Great Day Facebook page at about 10:15. And this morning, we do hope you can join us and also chime in. GDXL is brought to you by the Bomarito Automotive Group. Guys?
Thank you, Laura. Before we can get to the third half of Great Day, we have to get to the second half of Great Day. That's up next. We could all be a bit more empathetic